Hello guys, I'm recording this video in order to get the approval for this OAuth authentication from Pruvo production project ID. So here is the credential for this OAuth permission screen. Here we have the identification. So I'm going to demonstrate how we use these scopes in our application. So the first thing, we are an exam application software. So we need to sync data with Google Classroom in order to import the courses and make it easier for our customers to apply exams for their students. So the first thing is the signing in our application. So here I have the signing logo for Google. I'm going to sign in this application. So as you can see, we have all the scopes here: client ID, a direct URI, all the information, uh, the scopes we have in our application. I'm going just to switch the language to English. Okay, so the scopes, as you can see, is still the same. We have all the scopes here. I'm going to sign in with this user. Here we have the screen for this OAuth to give the permissions. So all the permissions here, as you can see, here is the full URL. So I'm going to allow this. And so this is the first step. I sign in in our application as a teacher. So you have a couple of school here. I just created a demo school here called Google OAuth Video. As you can see, I have some courses here, but I'm going to add a new course. So how I'm going to do it? So I already have a course in Google Classroom. We are going to import this course demo OAuth. As you can see, I'm a teacher here. I have this student here. So this is the main information we need to start apply applications in our app. So I need the username, the email, everything to sync the data from Google Classroom to our application. So how we do the sync? We can do it in front end, and we show to our users when we sync a course from Google Classroom. So I'm going to add this course. I click in add course. I'm going to import the course. So let me refresh here. This is a new course. So here we are, course demo OAuth. We have the same course here. As you can see, course demo OAuth. So I'm going to click here, and the system is going to import data to our system. So as you can see, I have now the teachers, the students, and we use this data in order to apply exams to these students in our system. So in our system, as you can see, I have a couple of questions. So the teachers can create questions, so they can apply exams. So if I access, for example, just one question here, as you can see, this is a question, just an example. We have a math formula here, so the teacher can create applications. So the main point, we need to import the students. So I'm going to create a new application, is to apply exams inside our app for the students. So, for example, I have a math basic exam here. I'm going to apply this um, for the classroom we just import from the course. So we do this in order for the student access our system. So for in this example, I'm going to apply this exam and the student can access it from our application. We have a couple of options that the teacher can use it. Okay, math test for OAuth demo instructions. Okay, I'm going to apply it. Okay, after I apply, the student can access our system. So I'm going to access the student interface area just for this demo. So when I sync, the student also receives the access for our system. This is a second part of the use we need in our application. So I need to get the URL. Pruvo. That's I don't know. So now I'm going to access as a student. I'm going to access using this username here. This is user here. So resuming the video, I'm going now to sign in with the student access. So the same student we imported from Google Classroom, as you can see here, Alumno one at Pruvo.app. So I'm going to sign in. Here's the full URL for the student something, all information, uh, very clear here. So all information, the scopes, all information. We are going to request the next screen. As you can see here, so I'm going to sign in with this user. Okay, change to English. Okay, here is the scopes. I'm going to allow. Yes, it's me. So here is the task where we just created for this student. As you can see, math task for OAuth demo. So the student I can access the day of the exam, he can start the exam. So we have which teacher applied the exam, so the teacher we created. So here we have all the information for the students' user application and do the exams. As you can see, we are exam application. So the students go to answer. And okay, next one, I finished. And when the students end the exam, the teacher will receive his grade, and that's it. This is our application. That's the reason we need to the data in order to sync the data from Google Classroom for our customers, apply the exams for the courses already created in the Google Classroom platform. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good one.